What follows isn't just a disappearance, it's a meticulously orchestrated vanishing act. A Boeing 777, a 200-ton marvel of modern engineering, will defy all logic. It will slip past military radars. It will fly for 7 hours without a single human response. And when the world finally pieces together its final moments, we are left with more questions than answers. Tonight, we reconstruct those fateful hours, minute by minute, examine shocking new evidence, and reveal why, after a decade, the truth may be more disturbing than we ever imagined. Let's walk through those last original minutes.